G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Still a bit under the weather. In this episode, we check out a 172,000 original kilometre, one lady owner, deceased estate, Mercedes-Benz 280 SE. Saw this 280 SE Benz, thought, I need a mirror for my 380 SEC. So I'll get this mirror off it. So then I made some inquiries, and it's 170,000 K, one owner, deceased estate, no cracks in the dash, runs beautifully, little 280 SE. Hubcaps are in the car. Boot's got some water in it that needs to be dried out and it stinks, but headlining's good. Whole car looks bloody terrific. So, pretty cool. Needs a star in its emblem, but not too shabby at all. Okay, so I corralled David to help me get the Mercedes 280 SE and bring it back. And so it's got that Mercedes IRS with the wheels splayed out the back. Pretty cool car. I've got to check the mileage, but I think it's about 174,000 Ks. One owner, deceased estate. Has some water in the boot. Carpet stinks, so I've got to get that out, hose it out, clean out the boot, air it out, and find out where it's leaking. It's got some old person touch-ups on the paint, a couple of areas with a sort of a matte blue, which is kind of weird, but you know, I'll polish that off and get rid of it completely. I think it's one of those cases where the touch-up's worse than the original scratch. Looks cool, doesn't it? I love it. Funnily enough, this is a 280 SE, which is sort of the base model, I guess, short wheelbase. And I've got a 560 SEL. So I've got both ends of the spectrum there in terms of this model. And then I've got a 380 SEC. Always loved those since I knew. I think they're a Bruno Sacco, I think it is, Italian, but designed all the Mercedes-Benz cars. A lot of them in the 60s, 70s and 80s, and terrific designer, passed away now, but what a cool car. Couldn't resist it. The cost of this car was probably the equivalent of getting a starter motor on the Bentley. Gives you an idea. Following it in the ML V8, the Mercedes-Benz Convoy today. And really, I just went to get some AU parts, or some parts of my XG Ute, actually, and then I ended up getting some AU parts off of Gia. And I've also got some parts of my silver AU Fairmont Gia. Haven't really done a video on that yet, so, well, I did do one about 3 cars, but I'll go into more detail. That's getting some work done on it as well by Jake. Well, the brake lights work and the indicators seem to work, so that's pretty good. Started right up. Got a new battery thrown into the deal, or a second-hand battery, but good battery thrown into the deal, so happy with that. David's probably feeling like $1 million driving that car. It's not blowing any smoke. Seems to be doing well. The old straight 6 Mercedes-Benz straight 6. They were renowned for those engines. Very upmarket David for 1982. cracks in the dash. Interior is really good. It's MB Text, which is like Mercedes speak for vinyl, but a very heavy duty material. Lasts forever, basically. Really durable. Easy to keep clean, and yeah, cool. Beautiful Mercedes-Benz. Robbie's enjoying himself in the back there. Looks good on the road. With the hubcaps back on it. Yeah, terrific. Good looking car. I think it came out in 1980. Very good looking design. Very popular. Yeah, very cool. I'm happy with it. Yeah, it's cool. Tow bar too. That's good. Not that I'll be towing a lot in it, but keeps wayward parking people who can't drive away from the car. See if it blows any smoke going up this hill. So far it's been good. It's quite steep. Seems to be going well. A little 2.8, 6-cylinder. The 380s and I guess ultimately 420s and 560s. You know, they're the ultimate ones, but this is pretty cool too. Yeah, it didn't blow any smoke going up the hill. It's not bad. I mean, it's got very low mileage on it for a car of this age. I think it's been well serviced. I can see the service records in there as well. Okay, so I've got it back to Beer House headquarters, and it's really cool, drives well. I made a mistake. It doesn't have 174,000 Ks, it's got 172,000. David drove it back, as you saw, and said it performed really well. I've just backed it into the factory here. As I said, famous Mercedes-Benz straight six. They even used to make engines for planes during the war. And like I said, it's got this these pensioner touch-up in Airfix, looks like French blue. I'll polish that off. There's no reason for that to even be there. There's another one on the door. But I think that'll come off quite easily, and check it out inside. No cracks in the dash. Beautiful wood grain. 172,044 kilometres. It's nothing for one of these. Beautiful door trims. Headlining, everything's really good. That mirror can do with it being replaced, I'd think. So I might look for another mirror for it. It's got the original stereo in it. Power windows and all those bits and pieces that you'd expect. And that beautiful Mercedes-Benz, you know, I love that. Like a vault. It had a bit of water in the boot, so I'm leaving the car all open to just thoroughly dry out. Excuse me. And I hubcaps in the front seat on the other side. I've taken out 3 plugs in the boot, and I'm just going to let that air out. You can see there it's had water in the back. Just put that oil bottle there to hold the carpet up. That'll dry up very quickly. The other side's fine, so must be leaking somewhere. Maybe there's I don't know. There's a leak somewhere, obviously. So needs a good wash, but lovely old car, and old lady's car who passed away, original owner. Just obviously didn't use it much towards the end, and yeah, it's dirty. It just needs a really good vacuum and clean, so I'll do that to it. Needs a bonnet emblem, and probably if I looked at another grille, that bit of trim there's pushed in, but all lights work. Yeah, it's really cool. So anyway, just a little video on the Mercedes-Benz W126, I think they're called. Yes, 126. 280 SE. So there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode on the W126 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE. Please be sure to give the episode a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future episodes. We're giving this car a bit of a clean up, and it doesn't need much at all. It actually drives beautifully. But just give it a little bit of a clean up and bring it back to its former glory. So thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.